In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block and unblock people on your Facebook business page. If you manage a Facebook business page, blocking can be a helpful way to keep interactions respectful and protect your community. When you block someone from your page, they can't comment, like, message, or otherwise interact with your content. And if you change your mind later, unblocking restores their ability to see and engage with your page again. Let's start with how to block someone. First, open your Facebook business page and go to Settings. Depending on your layout, this may be in the left-hand sidebar or under a Settings gear icon. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Blocking. Under the Manage Blocking area, click Edit to open the detailed options. From there, choose Add Users to Blocked List. A search box will appear. Type the person's name as it appears on Facebook, then select the correct profile from the results. Take a second to confirm you've chosen the right person by checking their profile picture or other identifiers. When you're ready, click Confirm. That's it. The person is now blocked and won't be able to interact with your page. A few quick tips here. Make sure you're acting from the correct page if you manage more than one. You'll need the appropriate page role, typically admin, to access these settings. If you don't see the exact labels I'm mentioning, don't worry, Facebook occasionally updates the interface, but the blocking area under Settings is the place to look. Now, if you ever need to reverse that action, here's how to unblock someone. Go back to Settings and open the same blocking section. Under Manage Blocking, click Edit again. This time, select See Your Block List. You'll see everyone currently blocked from your page. Find the person you want to restore and click Unblock next to their name. Confirm your choice and their ability to interact with your page will be restored. Remember, blocking is immediate and affects all page interactions, while unblocking simply reopens access. It doesn't automatically re-add past comments or restore any messages that were removed. Use blocking thoughtfully for persistent issues like harassment or spam, and unblock when it makes sense for your community and brand. To recap, you manage both actions from page settings under blocking. Use Add Users to Blocked List to block, and See Your Block List to unblock. With these tools, you can keep your page welcoming, safe, and on brand.